Here is a wonderful 2017 Honda CR-V. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this stylish and up-for-anything CR-V. Its innovative design, premium feel, all-weather capability, and advanced safety and connectivity technology sets the standard for small SUVs and crossovers. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun moonroof, backup camera, heated front seat, blind spot monitor, tire pressure monitoring system, four-wheel ABS. Give yourself the upgrade you deserve. Get into the Honda CR-V and drive well. We'll put you behind the wheel today.